If you don't know where your money goes, you'll never know why it's gone. The biggest and most common money mistake is spending without awareness. People work hard to earn money but fail to track how it is used. When tracking does not exist, money quietly slips away without notice. Small daily purchases slowly add up and create serious financial damage over time. Impulse buying is usually driven by emotions rather than logic, which weakens control. When spending has no clear purpose, saving becomes naturally impossible. Awareness gives you power over your finances. Power creates control. Control improves choices, and better choices bring stability. Stability reduces stress. Reduced stress improves clarity, and clarity strengthens planning. Strong planning forces money to work in the right direction instead of disappearing silently. More income won't fix bad money habits. Many people believe earning more money will solve every financial problem, but this belief itself becomes the problem. If spending and saving habits remain weak, even high income gets wasted quickly. Money grows only when it is supported by structure and systems. Earning alone is never the solution. Management is equally important. Without a plan, income turns into pressure instead of progress. Pressure leads to emotional and poor decisions. Systems give money a job. Every rupee assigned a role creates clarity. Clarity prevents misuse. When misuse stops, growth begins naturally. Smart individuals focus on building structure alongside income because structure is what creates long-term financial security. Quick money often creates long-term problems. One of the most dangerous money mistakes is short-term thinking. Chasing quick results pushes people toward risky and unstable decisions. Shortcuts appear attractive but carry hidden costs. Short-term gains often convert into long-term losses. Long-term thinking requires patience. Patience builds discipline. Discipline improves planning. Strong planning reduces pressure. Reduced pressure controls emotional reactions. Controlled emotions protect money from damage. When money stays protected, confidence grows. Confidence allows better opportunity selection. Those who prioritize the future over instant rewards are the ones who grow wealth in a sustainable way. One emergency can undo years of effort. Ignoring emergency planning is a silent but extremely costly mistake. Life is unpredictable, and unexpected situations can appear at any time. Without backup funds, people are forced to rely on debt. Debt creates both financial and mental pressure. Stress weakens decision-making ability. Weak decisions multiply financial damage. Emergency planning provides breathing space. This space controls panic. Control supports clarity. Clarity allows rational choices instead of emotional reactions. Rational choices protect money during difficult times. People who prepare for emergencies remain stable even under pressure, and stability is what makes long-term success possible. What you don't know about money will cost you. Delaying financial education is one of the most expensive mistakes a person can make. Many people see money learning as boring or unnecessary. In reality, ignorance always carries a heavy price. Without knowledge, the same mistakes repeat again and again. Learning increases awareness. Awareness builds confidence. Confidence enables better decisions. Better decisions help money grow. Financial education protects against scams, bad investments, and poor choices. It gives control. Control strengthens long-term planning. Strong planning reduces errors. Fewer errors create the foundation of a stable and secure financial future. Debt ignored today becomes pressure tomorrow. Taking debt lightly is a very common but dangerous financial mistake. Many people focus only on monthly installments and ignore the total repayment cost. Once interest is added, even a small loan turns into a heavy burden. Unnecessary debt consumes future income before it arrives. When money leaves before it comes, growth stops completely. Debt creates stress. Stress destroys clarity. Without clarity, decisions weaken. Weak decisions damage the entire financial cycle. The smart approach is to treat debt as a tool, not a lifestyle. When debt stays under control, money moves forward. When it is ignored, progress gets stuck. Someone else's lifestyle is not your financial plan. Making money decisions based on comparison is a silent but powerful trap. Social pressure pushes people toward unnecessary spending. Buying what you cannot afford builds an image, not stability. Comparison distorts focus. Distorted focus creates wrong priorities. Wrong priorities waste money. Wasted money limits future options. Every individual has a different financial journey. Smart people make decisions based on their own reality, not someone else's life. Progress happens within personal capacity. Walking away from comparison is real financial maturity. Investing without a plan is just gambling. Investing without planning often results in loss rather than growth. Following trends without understanding is not strategy. Every investment carries a timeline and a risk level. When these are unclear, panic decisions appear. Panic selling destroys long-term growth. Planning supports patience. Patience allows returns to mature. Clear goals protect investors from market noise. Structured investing puts money to work efficiently. Only money that works can build future security. Those who invest with a plan avoid fear-driven decisions and stay focused on long-term outcomes. What you don't save today controls you tomorrow. Treating saving as an afterthought is a serious money mistake. Many people say they will save after expenses, but expenses never end. Saving should always come first. When saving becomes automatic, discipline develops naturally. Saving is not only about storing money, it is about creating options. Options reduce pressure. Lower pressure allows smarter decisions. Once saving becomes a habit, confidence grows. Confidence helps manage risk. Saving forms the foundation of financial stability. When the foundation is strong, the entire financial structure stays strong. Money without goals always loses direction. Lack of clear financial goals makes progress invisible. Without defined goals, motivation fades quickly. Money keeps getting spent without results. Clear goals provide direction. Direction makes effort meaningful. When targets are clear, sacrifices feel manageable. Goals reduce wasted time. Reduced waste increases efficiency. Efficiency creates better outcomes. People who write down and follow their goals turn money into a tool instead of a source of stress. This shift permanently reduces financial mistakes and strengthens long-term control.